We've come through here several times at night. As long as you mind your own business, you're good. Just gotta watch out for pedestrians, or zombies as I like to call them. I just had to get a red light. It's funny. Yeah, baby, dance for me, yeah. Wingard. Well, my sister used to work there. But I used to work for nonprofits too. Skidrow, baby. See, it's for the most part pretty chill. Just mind your own business. Don't need danger here at night. Even daytime, it's just pedestrians crossing like that. Gotta watch out for them.